Well, yesterday we talked about the endangered Maui dolphin as one of its tiny population was killed by a fishing vessel. But the sad fact is it's not an isolated case. A number of our famous and unique species are under continued threat of extinction. Forest and bird conservation advocate Nicola Vallance joins me now. Good morning, Nicola.
Good morning.
Can you tell us, we've talked about the Maui dolphin, what other animals or birds are at extreme risk?
Well, we have something like 2,700 threatened species in New Zealand, and worldwide we're known as our biodiversity hotspot. That's sort of good and bad news. That means that our wildlife is really special, but also under quite a lot of threat. And just last year an international paper came out that put us 18th worst in the world for our environmental performance. So unfortunately our reputation is starting to slip.
You said 2,700 species there. That's an awful lot. In terms of actually trying to peg that back, how do you possibly look at everything? Do you have to specialise which species you're going to target to try and help?
Yeah, I mean, traditionally we have looked at generally the cute and cuddly species. So, you know, everybody knows about kakapo, kiwi, takahe, and none of those are doing particularly well. Even our most loved national bird, kiwi. 95% of our kiwi chicks don't survive where we don't do pest control, and we don't do pest control on most of our conservation land. We only do it on 12% of our land. So the story's not good for our native wildlife. And some of our lesser known species, we're actually driving them into extinction. So the New Zealand sea lion, one of the most endangered sea lions in the world, cute little story a couple of weeks ago about the people of Otago trying to protect a mother sea lion and her pup on the beach. But every year the Minister of Fisheries gives the commercial squid fishery a licence to kill, I don't know, between 67 and 100, and this year they're talking about removing any kind of restriction. Now that species has declined, the pup numbers have declined by 50% in just 11 years. Scientists again have predicted that they will go extinct in 23 years, and yet as a country and as a government we're ignoring these stark warning signs, and it's not a good look for our brand. It's certainly not a good look for our tourism reputation.
Nicola Vallance, thank you so much for highlighting these issues this morning.